Hello everyone. Today we are taking some questions from relations. Question is, relation are defined on set n cross n as follows: r equal to a comma b comma c comma d, such that a plus d equal to b plus c and a comma b c comma d belongs to n cross n. Show that r is an equivalence relation. इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन प्रूव करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको प्रूव करना होता है रिलेशन इज रिफ्लेक्सिव, देन R is reflexive. On n cross n, since for all a comma b belongs to n cross n, रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन के लिए केवल आपको एक ही एलिमेंट लेना है. a comma b is a single element. For all a comma b belongs to n cross n, a comma b related to a comma b. Relation is defined as a plus d equal to b plus c. A plus d, that is first and last, and middle equal to middle 2. First and last, that is a plus b. Middle 2, that is b plus a, which is true. So R is reflexive. So R is reflexive. नेक्स्ट हमें प्रूव करना होता है कि ये सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन की होना चाहिए. सो R is symmetric relation since for all a comma b c comma d belongs to n cross n. आपको symmetric relation के लिए always two elements लेने हैं. R is symmetric. A comma b related to c comma d implies that given a plus d equal to b plus c. जैसे सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन में जब दो एलिमेंट्स लेते हैं, a related to b implies that b related to a होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे आपने फर्स्ट ये एक एलिमेंट है, ये एक एलिमेंट है, a comma b related to c comma d. Relation is given for sum of first and last equal to sum of middle 2, that is a plus d equal to b plus c. Now if c comma d related to a comma b, अब हमें इसको उल्टा करना है. इसको इक्वेशन फर्स्ट implies that middle first and last, that is c plus b equal to middle 2 b plus a. आप देखिए 1 and 2 are equal. So since 1 equal to 2, so a comma b related to c comma d implies that c comma d related to a comma b. So R is symmetric. Now अब हमें इसको प्रूव करना है कि ये ट्रांजिटिव भी है. R is transitive relation since for all a comma b c comma d e comma f belongs to n cross n. ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन प्रूव करने के लिए आपको हमेशा तीन एलिमेंट्स लेने हैं. a comma b related to c comma d implies that a plus d equal to b plus c. Suppose this is third equation. Now c comma d related to e comma f, then c plus f equal to D plus E. Fourth equation. Transitive relation में क्या होता है? If A related to B, B related to C implies that A related to C होना चाहिए. So यहाँ पे हमने लिया A, B related to C, D. Relation is this. Then C, D related to E, F. Relation is this. Now हम third and fourth दोनों को equal कर दें. Equate adding third and fourth. So we have A plus D plus C plus F equal to B plus C plus D plus E. Terms cancel हो जाएंगे D and C, D C. We have A plus F. A plus F equal to B plus E. This gives A, B related to E, F. यहाँ पे देखिए A, B related to E, F. जब हम ये करेंगे then A plus F equal to B plus E आना चाहिए, ये आ रहा है. So R is transitive relation. Since R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, so R is an equivalence relation. लास्ट ये आपको ये लाइन लिखना कंपलसरी है. Since R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, so R is an equivalence relation. ये क्वेश्चन बोर्ड में कई बार आया हुआ है. Now question from NCERT exercise 1.1 question number 6. Question number 5. R is given A, B such that A is less than equal to B. Check whether the relation R in R defined by R equal to this is reflexive, symmetric और transitive. आपको check करना है कि ये reflexive, symmetric और transitive है या नहीं. First reflexive. Reflexive के लिए आप क्या लेंगे? This relation is not reflexive. Why? R is not reflexive. Since relation R is defined on set of real numbers R, if we taking A equal to as A equal to half, we have half is less than equal to half cube. That is 1 by 2 is less than equal to 1 by 8. Possible नहीं है. So not less than equal to. So 1 by 2 is not related to 1 by 2. It means 1 by 2 का 1 by 2 से relation नहीं है. So एक reason sufficient है reflexive नहीं होने के लिए. एक example sufficient है. So R is not reflexive. Second, symmetric. Symmetric relation के लिए आपको दो एलिमेंट्स लेने हैं. R is not symmetric. Is not symmetric as A equal to 1 and B equal to 2. A related to B, 1 is less than equal to 2 cube. It is true. But B is not related to A. Two is less than equal to as 2 is not less than equal to 1 cube. This result is false. 1 is less than equal to 2 cube, ये true है, but 2 is not less than equal to 1 cube, ये false हो जाएगा. So R is not symmetric. Last transitive. R is not transitive. As A equal to 10, B equal to 5, and C equal to A equal to 100, B equal to 5, and C equal to 3. So A related to B, A related to B, then 100 is less than equal to 5 cube. This is true. B related to C, that is 5 is less than equal to 3 cube. A भी true है, but A is not related to C as 100 is not less than equal to 3 cube. ये false हो जाएगा. So R is not transitive. So ये relation जो है ना तो neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Next question number 6. R equal to 1, 2 and 2, 1 is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. जैसे कि अभी रिलेशंस में आपका 1 का 1 से रिलेशन नहीं है, 1 is not related to 1, so it is not reflexive. Given that set A equal to 1, 2, 3. In the set A equal to 1, 2, 3. 1 का 1 से रिलेशन नहीं है, 2 is not related to 2, 3 is not related to 3. आपको R में केवल 2 एलिमेंट्स दिए हुए हैं, so this relation is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. एक रीजन बहुत होता है. 1 is not related to 1, 2 is not related to 2, 3 is not related to 3. Then R is symmetric as 1 related to 2 implies that 2 related to 1. ये आपको given है. R is not transitive. Since 1 related to 2, but 2 is not related to 3 and 1 is not related to 3. 1 का 2 से रिलेशन होना चाहिए, then 2 का 3 से रिलेशन होना चाहिए, implies that 1 का 3 से रिलेशन होना चाहिए. ये एलिमेंट्स आपके सेट में नहीं है, that is 2, 3 does not belongs to R and 1, 3 does not belongs to R, so R is not transitive. Now question number 8. ये इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, कई बार एग्जाम में आया है, इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन जरूर पूछा जाता है एग्जाम में. A equal to given 1 2 3 4 5. Relation R is defined on the set A 1 2 3 4 5. R is given as A comma B such that A minus B is even. Prove that R is an equivalence relation. आपको इसको इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन प्रूव करना है, तो इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन प्रूव करने के लिए R सिमेट्रिक होना चाहिए, R रिफ्लेक्सिव होना चाहिए, सिमेट्रिक होना चाहिए एंड ट्रांजिटिव होना चाहिए. To prove R is an equivalence relation, R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So first, reflexive. R is reflexive relation. As A related to A implies that A related to A, reflexive में always एक एलिमेंट लेते हैं, B की जगह पे हमने A लिया है, then A minus A, B की प्लेस पे हमने A लिख दिया, equal to 0 is an even number. So R is reflexive. Second, symmetric. R is symmetric as A related to B, A minus B is an even number. Implies that modulus से modulus के अंदर हमने B minus A लिख दें, then again is an even number. B minus A is an even number, that is B related to A. So this relation is also symmetric. Now last is transitive. ये important part है इसमें. R is transitive as A related to B, A minus B is an even number. Let A minus B equal to 2P and P belongs to Z plus. Only Z. P belongs to Z. B related to C. B minus C is an even number. आपको फर्स्ट रूल लेकर के चलना है. A related to B भी होना चाहिए, B related to C भी होना चाहिए. Let B minus C equal to 2. Suppose this is second equation and Q belongs to Z. Now adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. We have A minus B plus B minus C equal to 2P plus 2Q. That is A minus C equal to 2P plus Q. Again P plus Q belongs to Z. So A minus C is an even number. Since A minus C equal to twice of P plus Q, that is an even number. So A minus C is an even number. Implies that A related to C. हमने लेके चले थे हम A related to B and B related to C and prove हो गया A related to C. So this relation is also transitive. So relation is an equivalence relation as R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Again same question में आपको given है कि elements 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. इसमें आपको क्या करना है 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 all these numbers are odd number. So difference between 1 and 3, 1 and 5 is an even number. So 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Similarly 2, 4 elements of 2, 4 are related to each other. 2 and 4 both are even number and difference of 2 and 4 is always an even number. So elements of 2, 4 are also related to each other. Now देखिए question number 12. Show that the relation are defined in the set A of all triangles R equal to T1, T2. T1 is similar to T1 is equivalence relation. ये हमने कल भी लास्ट सेशन में भी हमने डिस्कस किया था. Relation of similarity is an equivalence relation. Question number 12. R equal to T1, T2 such that T1 is similar to T2. For all T1, T2 belongs to set A. Symbol is for all. इसको इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन प्रूव करना. अगेन हमें इसको रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक एंड ट्रांजिटिव प्रूव करना है. रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन R is reflexive as T1 related to T1 implies that T1 is similar to T1. Then symmetric में आपको दो एलिमेंट्स लेने हैं. For all T1, T2 belongs to A. T1 related to T2 implies that T1 is similar to T2. Then T2 is also similar to T1. So T2 is related to T1. R is symmetric. R is symmetric relation. Then आपको transitive करना है. T1 related to T2, T2 related to T3 implies that T1 related to T3. T1 related to T2, that T1 is similar to T2. T2 is similar to T3 implies that T1 T3 के similar हो जाएगा. T1 T2 similar है, T2 T3 similar है, implies that T1 और T3 भी similar हो जाएंगे. So relation is transitive. R is transitive is for all T1, T2, T3 belongs to A. T1 related to T2 implies that T1 is similar to T2. First equation. T2 related to T3 implies that T2 is similar to T3. Second equation. From 1 and 2. T1 similar to T2, T2 similar to T3. So T1 is similar to T3. That is T1 is related to T3. So R is transitive. Since relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, so it is an equivalence relation. Last line, R is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. So R is an equivalence relation. Next इसी में further given है आपको Consider three right triangles, T1 with sides 3, 4, 5, T2 with sides 5, 12, 13 and T3 with 6, 8, 10. Which triangles among T1, T2 and T3 are related? अब देखिए 3, 4, 5 and 6, 8, 10, that is T1 and T3 are related to each other since ratios of these two triangles. First T1 sides are 3, 4, 5. Suppose ये triangle T1 है and ये ट्राइंगल है 5, 12, 13, ये T2 है, 6, 8, 10, ये ट्राइंगल T3 है. तो T1 and T3 are related to each other since 3 by 6 equal to 4 by 8 equal to 5 by 10 equal to half. इन दो ट्राइंगल्स की corresponding sides का ratio equal आ रहा है. T1 is similar to T3 as 3 by 6 equal to 4 by 8 equal to 5 by 10 equal to half. So T1 is related to T3.